Good evening. We are over here on day number 2 of this ongoing Safari International T20 Cup, and this is going to be match number 6, which is going to get played between Delhi Drifters and Dubai Pelicans. Well, the news from the middle is that it's Delhi Drifters. They have won the toss and they have opted to bowl first. This is the first ball in progress. Oh, beautifully played upish and just fall short of the fielder there. Very consistent with his line and length, and this time it took an edge. There is a deep third and this time flicked it and flicked in long enough. 6. Very confident looking lad Samal has displayed that over deep square leg. Beautiful shot. And this time on the offside, beautifully driven. What a superb drive. Pitch drop delivery, nicely played. Lofted shot, one bounce over the rope. Oh well, inside edge onto the stumps, and look at the celebration. Diwan has struck here. Played on. That's a very important wicket. Well, low full toss, ball was dipping down, it is played away and he gets a boundary. Well, that is played toward the deep third, no one there in the deep, and this will full toss, it is hit straight. This time he has played over the gully fielder, and this will be another boundary. For a moment, the ball might have went out of his reach, but nicely adjusted. Backward punch and fielder standing in the circle. This will be another boundary. This time ball down the leg side and a loud shout, and it's been given. And look at the celebrations. Diwan. It's Imran who will have to have a long walk back. He goes across, played toward the leg side. Chase for the fielder, but the ball has won it. Short delivery, it's in the air, but lucky for the batter that it found the gap and he gets the boundary as well. Well, that is played in the air long enough. Right in the zone, beautifully timed. Over the side screen. Once again, lofted shot towards the extra cover region, and another boundary here into over number 6. Once again coming down the track, hits it in the air. And what a catch! Well, stunner of a catch taken by the fielder there. Udayan has hit it in the air, didn't get the timing behind that shot. It was not an easy chance, but look at that commitment. Beautifully done. Driving forward is never easy. Not afraid of bowling those flighted deliveries. It is played over the extra cover fielder, and this will be another boundary. And look at that. No problem whatsoever in dispatching it for a maximum. And this might be his 50. No, the catch is dropped there. This time short delivery, it's in the air. And he found the gap, one bounce over the rope. Full toss, driven. And he has got a 4. He hits it. Is it big enough? One bounce over the rope. Knocks it away towards the point region. It might race away for a 4, and Hanan. This time he goes aerial. And he has been dropped over there. Scored these runs with the 14 runs per over. This time driven toward the offside, and this will race away for a 4. Once again full, but quite closer to the batter and opening the face of the bat, driving it all along the carpet. Just a little hazy out there in the middle as well. Swept away. And fine leg standing up. This might race away for a 4. Yes, it does. This time played in the air. Over the fielder. Off point and getting another boundary. He has got a stroke all around the ground. The previous shot was swept away for a 4, and this time he has played. This is lofted. Is it long enough? It's going. It's gone. A huge 6. First ball, full toss, hit away. And it is gone for 6. No problem. Both the batters are well set. This is hit in the air. Is it long enough? Fielder coming under it. And he takes it. And look at that. Once again is this magical man, Diwan, has taken the catch. I think just played across the line and a top edge. And a very good catch under these floodlights. Diwan. Well, that is hit toward the leg side. Stayed in the hand of the fielder there. Imran picks up yet another wicket here. Wicket number 2 for him. And it's Amit. A very important wicket in the course of the game. Wanted to hit that over the cow corner, but only found the fielder there. Didn't time it well. And this is hit in the air. Long enough. Once again he hits it towards the extra cover region. Will get a boundary. This is his area. Harinder. Well, it's an edge and the catch is taken. Wanted to hit toward the leg side. Muhammad out there in the middle. And he has hit it toward the leg side. And he gets a boundary off the mark with a 4. Muhammad. It is hit in the air over the point fielder. No one in the deep and he gets a boundary. Full toss. And he has put away for yet another boundary. And that is nicely played and this will go across the boundary line. Beautifully done. This is hit in the air. Fielder takes it with no problem whatsoever. Very comfortable catch. Well, a proper length delivery. Wanted to play over the point fielder. Didn't get any elevation and timing behind that shot. Sachin. Getting a swing, but direction was not correct. That is gone for 4 important runs. Well, this will help. Has he timed it well? Yes, he has done. Hits it. Long enough. It's a 6. Well, that is beautifully cut away. Bisected the fielder. Point in gully and gets another boundary. Short ball. Hit away in the air. It is safe enough for the fielder. Standing in the deep, Muhammad Rafi has taken a very comfortable catch. Well, short delivery and out of nowhere, Sumit has produced a beauty. Well, that is surprising really. He was struggling to play those straight deliveries. And all of a sudden that short ball. Well, good shot. Another boundary here. Once again goes back, hits it. And it's over the fielder. Put away toward the left side by Akshat without any trouble for a 4. Once again, short delivery, once again pulled away, and that is hit in the air, and the catch is taken. And well, this time he wanted to smack that out of the park, and he has been bowled. Quicker, and he has bowled him out. Well, he is jubilant. Absolutely ecstatic with his full toss. It's in the air, and that's it. The catch is taken.